important for how you're gonna play. You know, I gotta be feeling right. God, I'm getting pale. Holy, this is not very California of me. I gotta find a hair tie somewhere. Just got my booty worked in tennis. I have not been like hitting singles and also just not doing any cardio, and I'm so tired. And then I remembered I have leftover Fat Dragon, which they have this orange tofu that is so insanely good. I'm so... Everyone, it's raining in LA. It's so cozy, and I am gonna do stuff around the house today. I'm gonna do some crafts, maybe some DIY stuff, and just do like a little cozy vlog. Yeah, I'm feeling very happy and like calm today, which is nice. I just thought I'd film some sweet little moments. Oh, this needs to be stirred. No worries. Y'all, I had such a cozy, productive day. I've been really enjoying being at home. It's getting so much more like wintry here. We just had daylight saving, so it's getting dark now early, which I know eventually will make me sad, but right now it's making me feel just like so homey and cozy. And I spent all day today really like deep cleaning my kitchen. It's still not done, but it felt so nice. Like I washed my rug that was like getting really gross and dirty, and now it looks so clean, and I'm just trying to reorganize everything so I feel like I can go into a new season. Really trying to focus on staying consistent with my habits and really prioritizing the ones that I want to make sure I hit every day. Slowly but surely I'm getting better at keeping my house cleaner, being more on top of stuff, and just like really trying to stay focused and organized. When I put in my AirPods and just like listen to music all day, like I listened to Johnny Cash for like 5 hours today. Yeah, I swear it just makes me like laser focused and like stay on task, which is a good realization. Yeah, and it's just so cozy in here. I love it. Tomorrow, yeah, we'll do some more fun things. I'm gonna make dinner right now, and then I think I'm gonna watch the new episode of White Lotus because it's my fave. And of course, after a day of cleaning, we have a nice, simple, easy dinner. Green Chef, people. A big thank you to Green Chef for sponsoring today's video. If you're not familiar with Green Chef, they are a CCOF certified organic company. They have meal kits for so many different lifestyles: keto and paleo, vegan, vegetarian, fast and fit, Mediterranean, and gluten-free. Each of their kits contains a variety of organic ingredients. They now have up to 30 different recipes a week that you can choose from, and you have the option to mix and match from different dietary preferences to fit whatever works specifically for you. It's also just so convenient, comes together so quickly, takes all of the grocery shopping and the planning out of it, and it has step-by-step recipes, pre-measured ingredients, everything you need to just bring it all together. It can be really helpful if you're not super confident in the kitchen, but you're wanting to cook at home more or try out a different type of dietary preference. If you want to check them out, use my code WHEREILIVE599 to get $5.99 per meal on your first box, plus free shipping on your first box. Go to greenchef.com for more details. Single dream last night. Natural.
Is it? Are they all natural ones?
Yeah.
I don't buy it.
They're all organic or natural.
No, I don't think so.
The whole
Leakage.
Our boat has broke. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hopefully you all enjoyed all the little cozy moments. I think my next video, I'm gonna do a simplifying series, which I think might start with my clothing, maybe the kitchen, but stay tuned for that. That's coming, I think, next week. And yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed, and I will see you so soon in the next one.